Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a 2-ingredient cake with just apples and melted chocolate. So first, peel an apple and dice it into small pieces like this. Here I am taking 2 apples. Take that into a pan, add some water and boil it. Cook it for 5-10 minutes. Once the apple pieces turn mushy like this, strain it out. Now grate some dark chocolate. Melt the dark chocolate in microwave or using a double boiling method. Then transfer the cooked apples and the melted chocolate into a blender and blend it till it becomes smooth and creamy. Transfer that onto a cake tin lined with parchment paper and freeze it for around 3 to 4 hours. Now slowly take out the cake from the tin. Garnish it with some fruits. And there you have it. Smooth and decadent 2-ingredient chocolate cake is ready. This no flour chocolate cake is super easy to prepare. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below.